Okay, let's have a look at these batteries and charger from Baxxtar. It sounds a bit of a silly name, Baxxtar. But these Baxxtar batteries fit the Fuji range of cameras. Just check yours before you buy, obviously. Okay, so you get a couple for this package that I got. Look. So obviously really similar to the size and everything else to do with the existing Fuji battery that I got. So these are about £23 for 2 batteries and the charger. So that's 1 battery and obviously another one exactly the same. So let's have a look at the charger. Okay, so it is a USB based charger, the old micro USB there, not USB-C, but that's fine. And then it doesn't make it all that clear which way round to put it. And you can actually jam it in maybe the wrong way. Let's try it. It's a bit harder to push it in the other way, but it will go. So it'd be good to know which way round these go. I assume that these pins won't contact if it's in the wrong way round, and then the light won't go on if it's incorrect. And I assume you get a cable. Yep, get a little cable as well, if you haven't got enough of them. So yeah, that's in the box too. Looks short-ish, yeah, shortish, but not too long. And a little manual, probably telling you which way around to put the batteries. So yeah, that's what's in the box. I've yet to charge them, but from what I can read of the reviews, they are just as good as the battery that you got with the camera. So I'll report back in the YouTube comments if you want to know how I got on with those. Thanks for watching.